in the wilderness.
Le video iphuma kumbutho zibiza i-All Africa Alliance Movement i-10 day kwiminate yoqhagamshelwano. Ibonisa lo mbutho ucela wayisakuba ijaji enhloko uJudge Mogoeng ukuba azigqatsele sobongameli ngo-2024. Abakimkhanyi kwezopolitiko bathi akusiyondilula le.
This organization to former Chief Justice to enter into their political space, I think is significant for the organization because they see this as a important space that the former Chief Justice played in terms of his own kind of role as the head of the Constitutional Court, but also in terms of the kind of overlap it had with the political dynamics.
Ukuba ngaba lo mbutho izexisile ukuyicinga lento omnye umhlalutyi wezopolitiko uthe
you will have to forgo the title and the benefits that goes with being a judge, let alone being a Chief Justice. Remember, judges don't retire in courts. They remain at the service of the state until their last breath. Hence, they earn their salary until that very day when they leave this world. So the risk is there. He might say, I forgo that if he applied his mind and then go for it. And indeed, there's nothing wrong, by the way, right? Like all of us, he has the right to stand for any position.
Lo mbutho ye-All Africa Alliance Movement walile ukuphawula ngalomba usithi uza kuwabiza amajelo endaba kule veki uvule isifuba sawo kuwo.